Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to clear YouTube cache on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by unlocking your iPhone and after that opening the Settings app. Here, find the General option and tap on it to open further settings. Within this, locate and select the iPhone storage option. Scroll through the list until you find the YouTube app. Tap on it to view more options. Unlike Android devices, iOS does not provide a direct option to clear the cache. However, you can clear the cache by selecting the Offload app option. This will temporarily remove the app, but retain all data associated with it. After offloading, tap on the Reinstall app option. This reinstalls YouTube without removing your data. Once the app is reinstalled, your cache will be cleared, and you can continue using YouTube as usual. So that's basically how you can clear YouTube cache on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.